Hey, welcome back everybody. This is Excel video 499. We're almost to the big 500 and I've got the celebration page up. moresolutionsinc.com/contest is where you can win a free CMS referral data analysis. If you've ever wondered what your main referring physicians are up to, whether they're referring to you or they're referring to your competitors, this is a great way to find out. You can win a free one at moresolutionsinc.com/contest to celebrate 500 Excel videos. Number 500 is coming next week. Before we get there, let's talk about Excel video 499. You'll see my screen looks a bit different because I've finally been able to load Office 2016. Office 2016 has been out for a little while, but I used the Pro Plus version to get more business intelligence tools, and that just barely came out. So what I want to do is show you how to get Power View to work in Excel 2016 in the Pro Plus version. The challenge is that when they came out with Excel 2016, they changed some of the business intelligence tools around. I need to show you how to get a Power View menu back, because when you go to the Insert menu in Excel 2016, it's not there. From the File menu and Options, what we're going to do is we're going to customize the ribbon. And here are the different tabs that are on the ribbon: Main, Insert, Page Layout, Main, Insert, Page Layout, and those kind of things. What I want to do is I'm going to, from the Insert menu where it's got me, I'm going to add a new group, and I'm going to rename it Power View. Click OK. And then the Power View report is buried to the point where it's not even on the ribbon. So from this drop down, you choose Commands Not on the Ribbon, and we're go to the eyes for Insert, and this is what we're looking for. We're going to insert a Power View report over here to the Power View custom menu. Click Add, click OK, and now I've got Power View available on my ribbon. Part of the reason they do that is because Excel's moving more and more towards their Power BI offering online, and that's where they're pushing some of these Power View tools. While we're here in Excel 2016, let me just show you briefly, now that you've got this on the menu, where the other pieces of the puzzle are. Power Pivot is here. It's available in the Pro Plus version or the Professional version. It's not in the standard, let me say it that way, the standard version of Office 2016 or Excel 2016. You've got to have the Professional or the Pro Plus version. If you're looking for Power Map, which is the next thing we're going to talk about once we live to tell about Power View, Microsoft has renamed it. It's called 3D Map, and you don't need the Power version to get mapping tools anymore. This is where we're going from the Insert menu. When we finish Power View, 3D Map, what used to be called Power Map, is next. The other tool that's out there on the Data tab, this Get and Transform section, is Power Query. And there's all kinds of tools that you can use to pull data from a bunch of different sources. And the Transform piece is what's new and powerful. The ability to not just pull the data, but fix it on the way in rather than have to dump it and clean it all the time. You can fix it on the way, and there's a lot of power to that Power Query, Get, and Transform area of the Data tab. That's where we're going. A simple video. We just need to get the Power View menu back on the ribbon so we can play some more with Power View. We're going to do that in the next Excel video. Thanks for watching.